Good day everyone, this is Tomoko and welcome back to my channel, Tomoko Shima Hair Salon. We are back again with another Argan Oil DIY video. In today's video, I want to focus on the dry and frizzy tangling hair. I have a very good recipe to soften and hydrate your hair. Let's make an easy DIY hair mask together. Hair mask for dry and frizzy hair. To make the hair mask, we need 2 scoops of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 spoons of raw honey, 20 drops of argan oil. Combine all ingredients in a glass bowl and mix until consistently smooth. Let's apply this treatment. First, you may wash your hair to make it clean. Then, on damp hair, apply the mixture section by section and from roots to end. Massaging by hand to penetrate mask into the hair. If you have frizzy and dry hair from heat and chemical damage, your hair craves moisture and protein. This natural hair mask is perfect for you. If you prefer a light hair mask for fine hair, you can apply this mixture before shampoo. The best way to treat fine hair is to apply scalp lotion for hair glow that I showed in the last video to the roots. Then overlap this mask with the entire hair. Let it sit in your hair for 20 minutes. Relax in the bubble bath. Then rinse out and apply the conditioner. Let's check how is your hair after shower. When you brush your hair, you will feel softer and smoother your hair. Before blow dry, you may also apply the detangling leave-in treatment spray, which I will show you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Feel beautiful, my wonderful viewers, and see you next time. Bye!